Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size happy planner, and I am going to be planning for the last week in April, and that's going to be April, what is this, 25th through May 1st. So I'll go ahead and take these off the disc. And I have pulled my Happy Blooms Happy Planner sticker book, as well as the colorful boxes. So I'm gonna see how this spread turns out this week. So I will speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put these back on the disc. I did end up pulling this black and white sticker book in order to find some quotes to kind of fill in some space. But let me go ahead and put these back on the disc. All right. All right, that's it. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And for my VB pens this week, let me see. I've done pink and orange already. So, let me see. I think I'll choose, no, that's a little dark. That was Gold Getter. I don't know, how about New Day? I think this one is New Day. And let's see, Clementine. I think that's pretty. Okay, New Day and Clementine. And I guess I could probably add this one. That's Golden Gate. So I think those look pretty together along with this spread. So yeah, so that's it. All right, guys, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.